All right, let's take a look. We are practicing reading fill in the blanks, number 8. All right, so this right here, right off the bat, we see a modal verb. A modal verb. What does that tell you? That means this is going to be a verb. Not only that, it's going to be a base verb. No S, no ED, no ING. So right away, I see answer and behave. That's it. The only two options. So they people would answer in the same way, people would behave in the same way. They both sound good, right? So we got to see what they're talking about. And they're talking about making decisions. Okay, making decisions. Okay, so for making decisions, I don't believe it's an answer. I think it's behave. We would behave in the same way. This is what we do. I would pick that. All right, next we have our. After our, this is a possessive adjective. We're going to have a noun. And do we need to have a singular or plural noun? R doesn't help us. R doesn't tell you singular or plural, but something else does. The R here tells you it's going to be a plural noun. And how many plural nouns do we have? We have ideas and we have choices. Okay, well, we just said it's talking about making decisions. So when they're talking about making decisions, are we talking about our ideas or our choices? Would you agree? Is choices. Make decisions, choices. That's what you're trying to decide on when you make a decision. You have a choice, right? Next, mindset, we have a noun. Our own, this is an adjective. Okay, another possessive adjective with a noun. So once again, we will need to have adjective here. And how many do we have? We have economical, financial. All right, so both are talking about money. And this is our keyword right here. Whose money are we talking about? Would you agree? When we say economical, we ain't talking about our money. We're talking about the economy, the society, the government, everybody's money but our own, right? But financial can be our own money. So I would say our own financial mindset. That's what I would pick. And then lastly here, come to the same, this is a collocation. We know we need to have a noun, okay? We need to have a noun. It doesn't tell us singular or plural. This eliminates that. So we have ideas, conclusion, and answer. But come to the same, have you heard this before? You come to a conclusion. Conclusion is a collocation here. Come to a conclusion. If you didn't know, hopefully now you know, because that could have helped us here, because we had 3 nouns, and you might have thought all of them sounded good. But there it is.